RDBX, Redbox Entertainment, is showing a lot of strength in this session of the 10th of June 2022. It's gained 38.23%. It's also optionable. We all know very well that the short interest for this stock is a heavy one. According to OTEX, it's about, according to Fintel, it's about 209%. But yeah, 209.48%. But short squeeze, it's saying it's 46.21%, an increase of 16%. So what is absolutely certain is that the short interest is attracting buyers. That is what we're seeing right now. So we have been able to plot a grid here, a Fibonacci grid here, and we picked it up from this resistance of $14.58. So right now it's showing weakness and just approaching this support at $12.46. So far as well, we're seeing huge volumes, 56.103 million shares and counting. Obviously, the volatility on the stock has increased because market participants or option traders are pricing in a huge move. They're pricing in reasonable moves, in the price of the stock. So that's what we're seeing. That's definitely what's behind that volatility. You can see the $8 calls gained. That has gained at 206.67% and counting. So far I think it's just cool enough. But we think it has in the very short term it has a target of between $15.02 and $15.78. There's no guarantee it's going to get there, but look at this chart. You can see what's been going on since the 19th of May. You can see that this is a stock that's financially is struggling. The stock of a company that's struggling, even though it has agreed to merge with another company, Chicken Soup or Entertainment or something like that. So you can see that steeply extending. This is definitely the stuff of short squeezes. You can see that spiked up. It wasn't okay. This was after a couple of sessions and then plunged again. So definitely, even though the corrections were not in one session, but it looks very much like it's just a validation that some short squeezing has been going up. So but of late, it's been extending steeply. You can see that, and since it rose above its 10-day moving average on the 20th of May, it has only slightly dropped below that moving average. Only on the 1st of June, that was when we saw the most significant correction in the stock, or rather retracement. But since that time, it's been accelerating upwards. So yes, expect some correction at some point. You can see that it's approaching that support of $12.6. Expect a correction at some point, but I think there's opportunity there in the short term. Market participants are not concerned about whether it's going to exist anymore by the end of the year or anything like that. But what they are really concerned about, and you can't blame them, is because of the short interest. That is where the money is. RDBX has the money in it. We don't exactly know whether we can rely on that 209% short interest or the 46%, but 46% is wonderful enough. So there's money in the stock. There's also the activity in the option speed, as I showed you earlier on. All of these things will make the stock remain quite relevant for some time. So our targets are 15.02 and 15.78. As things change, we'll continue to publish more projections, more targets, and all that stuff. So see what you make of our RDBX stock. It's on the move. Our targets again is 15.02, and next one is 15.78. But we have a couple of supports here: 12.46. 11.83, 11.19, 10.41, 9.14. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video on RDBX stock.